Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Chatgpt to create real estate listing. For example, let's say you would like to create some real estate listing just like this example right here, and you can see that this is an awesome real estate listing. As you can see, a rewarding escape, peacefully situated, and you can see the amenities and features right here. I'll be showing you how to use Chatgpt to do that. And by the way, you may notice that my ChatGPT dashboard looks different compared to the regular ChatGPT dashboard, and that is because I have an extension added. And this extension is ChatGPT for search engines. And I recommend that you add it also to your ChatGPT platform. So all you'll need to do is type in ChatGPT for search engines. Then you are going to tap on the first option at the top. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. And from here, I want you to tap right where you see remove from Chrome on my website, or my page better yet. You are going to see the option to add extension. Once you have added the extension and you go back into ChatGPT, you will realize that your dashboard looks just like this. Now, to use ChatGPT to create a professional looking and high converting real estate listing, all you would need to do is scroll across at the top right here. Then you are going to select others. After selecting others, you are going to tap on real estate listing. And the reason why I asked you to download or install better that extension is because it allows you to create better prompts. And with better prompts, you'll be able to get the best response from ChatGPT. For example, you can see right here, what are you going to create? You're writing a listing for real estate property. Then right where you see the highlighted section, you are going to simply fill in the question that it asks. So you can see property, what is the property being listed, and you would simply fill in the property name right there. Then after you have done that, you are going to add the features, so list the key features. So for example, you can list if it has a pool and all of that. Then you are going to add the location right here. And I would recommend that you go onto this website also. It is called whoquest.com, and you'll be able to see listing descriptions. So you'll be able to see 6 real estate listing description examples with templates. And from here, you'll be able to see what a good real estate listing involves. So you'll need an eye-catching headline, attention grab with the best feature, and you'll also pitch the area, the home story. And you can see the need to know. If you are selling a home as is, don't waste your sellers or buyers' time springing that on them after they have toured the home. Some things you should share upfront so that people understand the deal and whether it interests them or not. And you'll also add a call to action. And again, by scrolling down, you will see some components of a great listing description. For example, highlight the obvious. If there are things that aren't captured by 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom, and 2 garage, you will also add, do you have a true mother-in-law suite with kitchenette? You can do that also. Also add some keywords as you can see right here. But after filling out the information that I told you to add in ChatGPT right here, all you would need to do now is stop right where you see style and tone. Then from there, you'll be able to select the style or tone that you'd like to use, whether you would like it to be persuasive, witty, adventurous, bold, professional. You can select any one of these options. So let's say I would like it to be persuasive. Then you're going to tap right where you see output language, and you can type in the language that you want. So let's say English. Then you'll tap on send message. After you have tapped on send message, you are going to give it a few seconds. Meanwhile, the AI does its thing, and you can see right here how it lists out the features and everything. So you can see breathtaking views. This stunning oceanfront villa offers panoramic views of the sparkling azure waters, and you can see that it is very eye-catching and also very informative. So just imagine if I filled out all of the information. As you can see right here, it would also add the location, and it would also add the amenities and also the contact information. So it basically creates your whole real estate listing. So all you have to do from this is simply copy and paste, and you can do some basic editing if you want, or you can simply paste it directly with images. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And if you would like more examples, as I said, I found some good examples on whoquest.com listing descriptions. So all you have to do is scroll down and you can see another example right here of a high converting one. You can see this 3-bedroom with 2 full bathroom ranch home is immaculate and full of upgrades. And you can read how they describe theirs and the information that they add. And you can add those in the prompt on Chatgpt, and it will create a stunning real estate listing for you. Hope you found this helpful. If you are going to use it, let me know in the comment section. And thanks again for watching this video.